Make sure each time you go in for more color, you dab and then you tap off the excess, especially if you're doing your foundation first. I recommend you doing it second because sometimes when you use these dark colors, there's a little bit of fallout and you will be able to wipe that off and put your foundation on afterwards. But the best way to prevent fallout is to tap off that excess. And you can see I just keep lightly blending that very top line here just to try to soften it. But when I get to my lid right here, I'm just tapping the color on. And then once I get up here, blending, tapping. Now you've reached your second from last step already. So see, this isn't that hard. So the next thing would be to take your darkest brown. I'm using Trust and dab it in and tap it and just pack it on your outer corner here. It's going to give you that little bit of drama. Then you're going to want to take a little bit more and marry these two colors together, the lighter brown and this blue. You are using this darker brown to blend them together. Then you're going to want to take your fluffy brush from earlier and use that to really soften the edges. Now this part is optional. If you don't like a lot on your lower lash line, you don't have to do anything. Or if you like just that little soft brown, that's nice too. But I'm going to take that dark brown that I just used on top and I'm going to kind of like press that on my lower lash line and kind of use that as like an eyeliner. Just to kind of like shape the eyes a little bit more. Then once you put that on, you can use the brush you used to do the lighter brown on the bottom and just kind of like blend it all out. That makes it really soft. So your last step before mascara would be picking a nice shimmery shade for your inner corners and your brow bone. So I'm going to take this gold shade and just kind of tap it in the inner corners just a little bit. And then do the same thing up here. So now your eyes are done. I just put some mascara on. If you really want to amp up the look, you can put false lashes on or magnetic lashes. Or if you want it to be a little bit more smoky, you can take a black eyeliner and put it right there in your waterline on top and your waterline on the bottom. And that will make it look a little more smoky and sexy. I just don't like doing that all the time because it does make your eyes appear a little bit smaller. So yeah, a nude lip would go good with a smoky eye like this. That is the only lip color I can think that would be appropriate. So I am using the ColourPop Nude Color Appy. I got this at Ulta and I think it was $7.